I've been in the theater of conflict for 18 years. I will lead the troops. My principal is an economic wizard who transformed Lagos into the third largest economy in Africa. He will concentrate on the economy. By God's grace, I will handle the security arm. Not only handle the security arm, I will lead the troops to battle across the length and breadth of this country.
Wait, did you hear what Shetima is saying? That he's going to be the commander-in-chief. Something is fishing. Watch this video and heard what daughter of Awolowo said concerning their plan. I know many of you will not believe it, but just listen. We need to wake up from our slumber.
Before. So why can't we just, for the first time in many, many years, it's no longer, two choice, PDP and APC. We have a very good choice now, which is Peter Obi and Yusuf Datti. There's no way we can say we cannot see this. Anthony, please help me share. Let our people know before they waste their time and before they put all of us in trouble. They are plotting for Tinubu. They are plotting for Tinubu. Hey, Yoruba, wake up, Yorubas. It is a plot. They are aware about Tinubu medical condition. All they are planning is immediately after handover, when everything is solidified, after swearing in, they are going to get rid of Tinubu. Shetima is going to be your next president if you are not careful. That's the plot. You Yorubas, you have to wake up. Don't be using emotion. Emotion lokobawa. A lot of these people who are supposed to lead the Yoruba youth and say, hold on a minute. We are tired of all this suffering. This is not the way I grew up in Nigeria.